Make restaurant-quality loaded fries at home? This shouldn't be allowed. 3 large potatoes cut into fries. 2 tablespoons corn flour. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon paprika. Oil for frying. 1 tablespoon butter. 1 tablespoon flour. 1 cup milk. 1 cup cheddar cheese grated. Half a teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half a cup cooked chicken, shredded. 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons ketchup. 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce. 2 tablespoons spring onions, chopped. Wash and cut 3 potatoes into thin fries. Soak in cold water for 10 minutes. Remove starch equals extra crisp. Drain and pat dry. Add 2 tablespoons corn flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika. Toss evenly. Heat oil on medium. Fry fries for 4 to 5 minutes. Don't brown yet. Remove. Rest 2 minutes. Now fry again on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes until golden and crispy. In a pan, melt 1 tablespoon butter. Add 1 tablespoon flour. Cook 1 minute. Slowly add 1 cup milk. Whisk continuously. Add 1 cup cheddar cheese, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon pepper. Stir until smooth and creamy. Place hot fries on a plate. Add half a cup cooked chicken. Drizzle cheese sauce generously. Top with 2 tablespoons mayo, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons spring onions. Be honest, would you eat this alone or share? Comment mine or share.